All right, so I'm going to explain the concept of modular sizing within the context of the PAC closet library and Mozaik software. And this is all relating to the 32 millimeter system. So when we look at these lines here, all of the fixed shelves, the closet rods, the toe kicks, the tops, the bottoms, all of our accessories, they're all fitting inside of these holes. And that's a true line bore. So it's not shotgun bore. You may recognize the term shotgun bore. Shotgun bore would mean that this fixed shelf is creating the female hole in the panel. But in our library, that's not happening. The fixed shelf just is assuming that there's going to be a line bore hole there for it. And this helps us a lot with easy design, easy install, because we don't care so much if these fixed shelves are exactly the right height. They can be off a little bit, and we're still going to be okay when we install because everything can go right into the line bore system. And it's also fully adjustable. If someone changes their mind down the road, we're not left with custom bore holes from our closet rods or our fixed shelves. We can just simply move them. Now, to get into more of what the modular system is, modular system kind of gives you boundaries to stay within so you don't screw up. And one of those boundaries is the depths. So if we highlight these two panels in the section, down in the depth, we could type in 16. All right, it lets us go to 16, and if we click on the section, it's actually 15.9843. So it's rounding down to the next modular depth. Same thing is going to happen with our heights. We type in 96, we actually get 95 and change. Now that's important because if we look at libraries and products, we have the closet library highlighted. We go to modular sizing. You can see all the fixed face heights, all the modular heights, and all the modular depths that are inside the library. And that just keeps us within the boundaries. Now, a couple notes on the 32 millimeter system. With these panels, our first line bore is actually 68 millimeters from the front edge. You can change that to 37, but there's some good reasons for having 68 because we're actually doing a shotgun bore for our doors and our drawers. So the guides and the plates. And it just helps our guys on install not have to, measure and figure out where those actual holes are supposed to go. It just makes everything a little bit cleaner. And other than that, we don't have modular widths, so it can be turned on to kind of keep your designers within a modular 1, 2 inches, 6 inches. But for now, it's just easier in Mosaic to move around without having that modular width turned on. But you can always turn that on if you need to. And everything else with the 32 millimeter system, I've got some other videos on it, but the line bore really is your friend, right? So the only downside for line bore would be the extra machine time. If you don't have a drill block, it's not the end of the world. Where you're looking at 6 to 7 minutes a full panel. So that's 20 minutes a sheet. You're at 3 sheets an hour. You could still cut. You could still with an offload, you could still cut, 30 or 40 sheets a day, but well, probably 30. But even if you don't have an offload and you just have regular 4x8 with no drill block, you're still able to cut 20, 25 sheets a day. And that's actually perfect for closets, especially when you're just getting into it. And then when you build the empire and you're cranking out cabinets left and right, you can upgrade, to something with a drill block and outfeed. But for now, this is going to do it. And then just a side note at the end here, whenever we're doing a manufacturing check on these closets, the comforting thing is that you can just give it a once over and look to see these outriggers and make sure that they line up with your line bore, top and bottom, right? They do, you're good to go. And you'll notice that the toe, I have it turned on to custom bore because the toe recess is something that kind of in modern day closets, I don't really believe in the toe that fits in the line bore. It just looks better if it's a little further forward. I have some other videos on what to do if you want to avoid scribing to the floor, which all of us should be doing that, should be avoiding scribing to the floor. But for now, That's going to do it on modular sizing and 32 millimeter system. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, email me a question, whatever you need. I'm here to help. Thank you for listening.